He'd rather you didn't see his face or know his real name, so we'll call him Abbas. And for much of his life, he made his money attacking ships in the Indian Ocean. Then one day, his luck ran out.
We were 14 of us. We attacked a ship, but it was unsuccessful. We were later arrested and taken to Seychelles. I was given a 10-year jail sentence.
Now 36 years old, Abbas spent 2 years in the Seychelles before he was shipped here to a newly built prison in Garoowe, right on the tip of the Horn of Africa.
In Somalia, I feel much better. I'm in my country. I have reformed and I am ready to be reintegrated back into the society.
This is the biggest pirate prison in Somalia, already home to more than 242 prisoners. Now, some of the prisoners behind me have been brought from Seychelles. They are convicted pirates set to serve their jail time here in Somalia. The prison is run by the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. Alongside regretting their past activities, the jailed pirates are taught new skills, such as brickmaking, a vital element in rebuilding a nation.
We have a pirates, 26 pirates transferred from Seychelles. Here they have close to their families, and families can visit anytime.
The most successful Somali pirates were making millions from ransoming crew. So despite the international crackdown, piracy remains an attractive livelihood, especially in a country where jobs are so scarce. Abbas and his friends insist they have changed their ways. The big test will come, though, in the days after they are set free. Abdulaziz Bilo, CCTV, Garoowe, Puntland, in northeastern Somalia.